Introduction to the energy saving product for heating system with the Zigbee wireless control network. In this part we are using PIC microcontroller and 2 DC fans, 1 transistor board and 1 Zigbee receiver, and also we are using a 2 temperature sensors, so we can see. And also we are providing for this product using this adapter. It takes 230 volts power supply and it will give 5 volts of DC, so that 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller board. So using this PIC controller board, 5 volts will be divided equally to this DC motors and Zigbee, and also 5 volts will be utilized by this temperature sensors. I am giving the 5 volts power supply here, and also we are using a USB TTL. So here we can see it is a USB TTL. USB TTL is connected with the Zigbee transmitter. So this is the this is the Zigbee transmitter and this is the Zigbee receiver. So this Zigbee transmitter will transmit the data from the temperature sensor value, then the data will be received by this USB TTL. Using this USB TTL we are taking the values from hyper terminal. So I will show you how to take that one. So first of all we need to connect the USB TTL to the laptop. After that we need to come for the device drivers. So here we can see in the device manager. So when we disconnect this one, it will be refreshed. So there will be no USB port. If I connect this one, then we can see here it is refreshed, and also here we can see it is showing the COM number 3. So please note it down. So it is a COM number 3. After that we need to go for the hyper terminal file. In the hyper terminal we need to go for the, so we need to install this PL2303. so we have already installed, so that's why we need to go for the hyper terminal and have to come here. After that just press on cancel and press S. Okay, give a name like HVS, then enter. Again cancel it, press yes. Okay, then so the COM number is 3 right now we have taken, so that will be mentioned here. Then okay, and restore default, then okay. So then we can see here room number 1 temperature and room number 2 temperature. So these are the 2 sensors which is considered as a room number 1 and room number 2. So if the temperature is more than 40 degrees, then it will give a, then this fans will be rotated. Now I will show you. Now I am taking this sensor. So for the heat purpose I am using this solder machine. So we can see room number 2 temperature is high, so that's why this fan got switched on. I will show you here also. So we can see room number 2 temperature is high. If it is come nearer to the less than 40, then it will stop automatically. At the same time we are increasing the temperature of the room number 1 using this sensor. So you can see here red color fan is get switched on, so we can see room number temperature is high. If it is come less than 40 degree, then it will be stopped automatically. So in this way, so the temperature values will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So using this PIC microcontroller we will send the values to the Zigbee. So Zigbee is connected with the microcontroller using UART communication. So UART is nothing but universal asynchronous receiver and transmitter. Using the protocol, the Zigbee transmitter will be connected with the PIC microcontroller, and also here in the USB TTL, this Zigbee receiver will be connected to the USB TTL using the same protocol called UART. And also here we can see the normal fan have a direct supply, but this fan have a transistor board. So this fan will be directly rotated when we give the signal, but this fan will be rotated when we give a signal through the transistor, because this is having a low power, so it is having some extra power. So that's why we are giving transistor board between this fan. So in this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.